What's up, you beautiful people out there? Hope y'all are doing amazingly great. Well, this is your Bong Baker, and today we are going to make chicken malai tikka kebabs. Yes, guys, the kebabs, the main USP of this dish is that they don't dry up so quickly. Like these kebabs, whether you make it with breast boneless or leg boneless, these would not get dried up. There will be a lot of cream, there will be a lot of butter and a lot of cheese, and of course a lot of grilling. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's get started. In this recipe, we are going to use an age-old method of smoking, an age-old Indian method of smoking rather, called dhungar, where we use a live coal and put ghee or oil in it and just close the lid so that the meat gets infused with that smoky flavor. So the kebabs turned out to be really tender and juicy, guys, and yes, y'all can make it in an oven also. Here in the recipe I had shown y'all how to make it on an open flame on a griddle, but if y'all wish, y'all can make it in an oven. The oven temperature should be at its highest or at least at 220 degrees Celsius. That's it. I hope y'all like the recipe. If y'all truly liked it, then I would request y'all to please go to the subscribe button and click it, guys, and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, y'all get notified. So until the next time, this was your Bong Baker. See you again. Cheers, guys.